drill machine is a versatile machine tool. A number of operations can be performed on it. Some of the operations that can be performed on drilling machine are drilling, reaming, boring, counter boring, counter sinking, spot facing, tapping, lapping, grinding and trepanning. The operations that are commonly performed on drilling machine among all these 10 operations are drilling, reaming, lapping, boring, counter boring and counter sinking. Let's discuss these operations one by one. First and foremost is the drilling operation. This is the operation of making a circular hole by removing a volume of metal from the job by a rotating cutting tool known as drill. This drilling operation you can see by this particular figure. The drilling removes solid metal from the job to produce a circular hole. Before or prior to drilling, the hole is located by drawing two lines at right angles and a center punch is used to make an indentation for the drill point. A suitable drill is held in the drill machine and the drill machine is adjusted to operate at the correct cutting speed. The drill machine is started and the drill starts rotating. Cutting fluid is also made to flow where the cut is going to be started. The rotating drill is made to fit into the job. The hole, depending upon its length, may be drilled in one or more steps, and after the drilling operation is complete, the drill is removed from the hole and the power is turned off. Next is reaming. Reaming is the operation of sizing and finishing a hole which is already being made by a drill. Reaming is performed by means of a cutting tool called reamer, as you can see in this particular figure. This reaming operation serves to make the hole smooth, straight and accurate in diameter. The reaming operation is performed by means of a multi-tooth tool that we name as reamer. This reamer possesses several cutting edges on outer periphery and may be classified as solid reamer and adjustable reamer. Then we have boring. This particular figure here shows what a boring operation looks like. The boring operation simply enlarges the hole by means of an adjustable cutting tool with only one cutting edge. A boring tool is employed for this particular purpose. Next we have the counter boring. Counter boring operation is shown here. It is the operation of enlarging the end of a hole cylindrically and for the recess for a countersunk rivet. The tool used here is known as a counter bore. Next is the counter sinking. A counter sinking operation is shown here. This is the operation of making a cone-shaped enlargement of the end of a hole, as for the recess for a flat head screw. This is done for providing a seat for countersunk head of the screw so that the latter may flush with the main surface of the work. Next we have lapping. Lapping is the operation of sizing and finishing a hole by removing very small amount of material by means of an abrasive. Then we have spot facing. Spot facing is the operation of removing enough material to provide a flat surface around a hole to accommodate the head of a bolt or a nut. And last but not the least, we have tapping. It is the operation of cutting internal threads by using a tool that is called as a tap. A tap is similar to a bolt with accurate threads cut on it. To perform the tapping operation, a tap is screwed into the hole by hand or by machine. The tap removes metal and cuts internal threads, which will fit into external thread of the same size. This can be done for all material except cast iron.